Every day there's a talk, left no stone unturned. We will get the perpetrators. Justice will be served. But where the justice there? Where the justice there? Tell me. You know say there's no justice for the poor citizens of Jamaica. If you don't have big cash or a top lawyer, dog, nyam your supper. Justice, justice, where the justice then there in this society? There is no justice. Because for a long time our women, children has been murdered for decades. No. And every day I the same old cheap talk that justice will be served. But talk is cheap. Actions speak louder than words. Justice, them a talk about justice. Where the justice there? There is no justice for the poor citizen. While we condemn the killing of Canis Jackson from Portmore, let us not forget what happened when these guys brought before the court. Either him get bail, either the judge plead insanity. So me I say, where the justice there? People talk about justice. Justice, there is no justice. If you don't believe me, ask Amanda Dean, Kajil Mays, and now Jasmine Dean. A lot of unsolved case. But if you diss Andrew Holness, are the fastest police and soldier reach a gate. We need that swift reaction to the rapist, pedophile, and woman killer. This is why people resort to jungle justice. Because when a man commit a crime and get punished, me in a prison and eat black rice cake after taxpayers' money. So me say justice. Where the justice there? You see the system a joke. It coming like them judges they on coke. There's no justice. Mama just have to hope and pray that she get her own justice from God.